and the box is worth £146. Why am I so crazy in this video? It feels so good to be filming, it feels so good. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of COHORTED. If you remember my channel from years and years ago, COHORTED sent me 2 of their boxes for me to try out and to do a little video on, and they've sent me another one, and this is from the June edition. So I do know that we're in July, but it's still available to buy on the website. I've just checked now. It's retailing for £50, so if you want to try out this exclusive box, then it is available. And this is the exclusive beauty box curation, and this is with the brand DOUCCE. DOUCCE? I'm not too sure. You all know I can't pronounce things. But this box comes, and I mean, it's absolutely filled to the brim with full-size products. We've got 6 full-size products for £50, and the box is worth £146. It comes with a lovely little brochure inside like this, and it goes through each one of the products, and it has even like a little Q&A section as well. So it tells you a bit about the brand, so I'll just quickly go through it. This was a brand that was founded in New York by 2 fashion and beauty executives, I couldn't spit that out then, with the intent of giving women and artists across the world the opportunity to discover their individuality. Love that. It was born in New York, and it was inspired by the French word douche, so it must be pronounced like that, which means soft and elegant. Oh, that's cute. So I like that there's a lot of like passion behind the brand. It's not just something that they've just started just to make a bit of moolah. There's like a passion behind it. So let's get into the good stuff. So let's start with what's inside this box. So we'll start with the biggest one, which is a full palette. This palette retails for £50. So when you're paying £50 for the box, you're paying for this palette and getting the rest of them for free, if you want to look at it in that way. So this is so heavy and luxurious as well. So this is what it looks like, and then when you open it up, it looks like this, and it is stunning. And when I was having a little play around with this, these are actually removable, so you can remove these. So like they're all like individually slotted into there. And you can remove these and make your own palette. So I'm guessing that's something that you can actually do with their brand. You can make your own palettes like this. So this is the limited edition Freematic Combo Pro palette. 4 versatile eyeshadow palette with a silky and smooth metallic highlighter, which is the big bad boy there, which generates a pure glow that won't fade. This set is specially curated with the right combination of both matte and shimmer shadows to allow for true effortless blending. The powders are so rich it feels creamy. The fine, weightless powders glide on easily without smudging or creasing, and so you can apply for a natural finish, you can apply it dry, or you can apply it wet for a long-lasting, dramatic look. And I love that they've put a combination of shimmers and mattes in there as well, because there's nothing worse than having like a full shimmer palette and no transition shade, no deepening up shade, nothing like that. So in the palette we have the big one here, the end one here, and the second one in here that are all matte ones. The rest are shimmering, and this one would make a gorgeous blush. It's just got like a little bit of shimmer in it as well. So this is what I meant by you can kind of depot them, like take them out, and you could make your own palette. You could rearrange it. Ooh. So it's all magnetic, and then what you do is, which is why I couldn't actually get the lid off it, is you slide them off. So you need to take them out, slide off the little case, and then pop them back into the palette. So it just looks like that when you've took the lids off, which I really like about it, because it means that you can kind of jazz it up yourself. And if you wanted to buy, say if you were like, oh actually I could do with a black in this, you could buy that individually off the company and then pop that in yourself and exchange it maybe for like one of the shimmy ones, or you think, oh I'm not going to use that one, etc. So let's do some swatches. The thing is, when you take the lids off them, it leaves a little gap on the bottom here, whereas there wasn't a gap previously. But I prefer this, I think, because it means I can quickly change them. And if you were worried about travelling, all you had to do is put these back on, and it's going to protect it from smashing. I just think that's a really genius idea, and I've never saw another brand do that. So let's do some swatches. So this is the highlighter. So it definitely is more on the natural side, but like it said, it's wet for more intense. There we go. See, because my lighting setup's not the best to show off shimmers. Oh, that is stunning. That is such a pretty colour. And then we have this one, which I think would make a gorgeous blusher as well. So there are blushes, and I just looked in the back there. They are blushes, which I thought there would be with them being a little bit bigger as well. So you get the 4 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, and then the Freematic highlighter as well. So let's swatch the eyeshadows. We have the shimmery one. That is stunning. Oh, that is pretty. We have like the grey one, which is really pigmented. Brown. And then the like, I don't know what kind of colour you would call that. But the other shimmery one as well. Oh. Next up we have the Matte Temptation lipstick, and this is in the shade 103 First Date, and this is retailing for £18, and the packaging just looks like this. Such a stunning colour. It's kind of a bit similar, or maybe just a little bit darker than what I wore for my graduation. So this is a highly pigmented lipstick that glides on effortlessly, leaving a pure matte finish. It's rich and creamy, which allows for a full coverage look with just one stroke, and they have a range from nudes to berry reds, and they can do very dramatic payoff as well. I don't know what happened to my throat there. It's an intensely saturated formula, which is exceptionally long wearing and also keeps the lips hydrated throughout the day. So that sounds amazing, like a matte lipstick that also keeps your lips hydrated. That's stunning. This is the one swipe. Yeah, definitely one swipe. Good colour payoff. Love that. I'll definitely be getting my use out of that. I do think it comes a little bit darker than the colour that it says it is like on the box. So bear that in mind when you're shopping on the website, or if you're shopping it in person, if they do it in any stores. And then we have the lip liner. I'm not going to lie, when I saw the colour of the lip liner and the colour of the lipstick, I got so excited because I thought that is such a good colour combination. So this lip definer pencil is in the shade Lyra. I'm not sure, did I say what the other one was called? The other lipstick was called First Date. And this is the 470 Lyra lip definer pencil, and this retails for £15. And this is the colour. Oh, imagine them two together. They'd make your lips look so big. So it says easy to use, long wearing, richly pigmented, and it glides on smoothly without tugging or pulling, and will not smear or budge once it's set. And I mean, you can see it's super pigmented. Super pigmented. I love brown lip liners. Absolutely love them. Like I said, it's very similar to what I wore on my graduation day this week. So next up we have the Fierce and Fine graphic pen. So this retails for £16. This box is such a good box for like the price that you're paying for it, and it's in the shade black as well. So they haven't sent you like, I hate when like you get like a brown or something like that, and it's like I want to try the brand black first before I go on to the brown. So this is what it looks like, and this really excited me when I first got this, because I've actually swatched this already. I was too impatient. And the fine tip, look at that, is amazing. So you could go a bit thicker as well. Oh, it's got such a fine nib. I'm honestly cannot wait to try this. So this says it's deeply pigmented, waterproof graphic pen that is both easy to use and creates precise, sharp lines. And from swatching at my hand, I definitely agree with that. It glides on seamlessly without the hassle of tugging or pulling, which no one wants on the eyes anyway. I've got saggy eyes to begin with. I do not need them to be any worse, thank you. It says it will not budge or flake or smear as well. It has a beautiful picture of a girl wearing the eyeliner there. So yeah, that retails for £16. So once you've got your eyeliner on, the next step is mascara. And you actually get a mascara in here. So this is the Max Lash Volumizer Mascara, which retails for £17. Like I said, such a good bargain, this box for £50. And this is what it looks like. And the brush is huge. Look how crazy the brush is. I'm so excited to try this because I have like the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara on, which, you know, I absolutely love. My only thing is it doesn't give much volume. It gives a lot of definition and length, and I love that. It's really black, but it doesn't give as much volume as what I would like. So this could be the answer to my prayers. So this is the extra large fibre brush which glides through the lashes evenly, coating each lash for the ultimate volume. It's a velvet carbon black formula which enhances the lashes, adding depth and definition that creates a visibly fuller and longer lashes. The creamy and I can't talk today, can I? The creamy and buildable formula is clump resistance, flake proof, smudge proof, and resistance to sweat and humidity. There's a lot of smudge resistance, flake resistance, and waterproof in this box. I'd love to actually try this and go to the gym. I'd go to boot camp and see whether it is waterproof and flake resistant and smudge proof. And the last but not least product in this box is the brow filler. This is the pencil in ash brown, and when I saw the colour of this I was like, oh, it's like they just know me. Like, I am an ash brown eyebrow kind of gal, as you will know. So this retails for £17, and this is just what it looks like. So we have, ooh, a spoolie on one end. Well, that's a nice spoolie. Sometimes the ones that like they're really itchy. And this is the eyebrow pencil. We'll just do a little swatchy rooney. It just looks like that. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I'm not an eyebrow pencil person, you know this. You know this, boys and girls, you know this. But if it can be a bit quicker, and if it's something that I can just kind of shove on when I'm going to work instead of just putting my brow gel on, so I have a bit more definition, definitely willing to try it. So this is the versatile double-ended brow tool with colour on one side and a styling brush on the other. It defines and transforms sparse-looking brows into naturally full brows. The water-resistant, smudge-proof formula delivers even application, while the precise, soft micro tip provides smooth application that replicas the natural look of real hair. And then the rest of it is like a little Q&A with the owner of the brand, and it's just saying again about they're wanting to enhance your unique natural beauty, talking about oh my god, they're in the middle of making more eyeshadows. They've got 100 eyeshadows. Wow. And they said one of the questions is what has been the most fun product to imagine, create and market, and they've put by far the Freematic system. It took us a few years to get it right and find the right tools and ingredients to make the best possible version of the product we could. We love that the product stresses self-expression and individualisation in a major way. Letting people play with colour and showing off their true selves has become a true dream. Oh, I love it. So I will leave the link down below for the website if you would like to go and purchase this. Like I said, £50, and it's got, did I say £136? £146 worth of products inside for £50. Yeah. I'm really impressed. Would you like me to do a video trying these and testing these and seeing whether they're good or not? Should I go to a boot camp and put them to the test? Please let me know in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see that as well. Thank you so much to COHORTED for sending this across to me, and yeah, I'm excited to try these out. Yeah, thank you very much. And I'm sorry that this video is coming up a little bit later after June, but it's still available to buy on the website. I will explain all soon, but my dad is in hospital. Well, he's out of hospital now, but he has been in hospital, and he's kind of having seizures every single day. We thought he might have had a stroke. So yeah, there's been a lot going on, and you'll know if you follow me on Twitter what's been kind of happening in my private life. I also graduated this week as well, so it's just been a crazy week. Okay, boys and girls. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays. I do have a full look coming up of this using Technic products, and my foundation is also coming up in a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all later. Bye. Why am I so crazy in this video? It feels so good to be filming, It feels so good.